Lemon, see, I've been watching all your videos. Oh. I won't tell you that I'm not watching it. I'm watching all your videos because I don't understand. You're telling me to return the car. Return which car? No, now tell me, return which car? You're telling me to return. Why don't you call me direct and ask me to return the car? Oh, Zelepe, me no. You dare not call me. That social media where you get your mouth, now there you get down. You dare not call me to tell me to return your car. You're opening your mouth to tell me to return car. And the car is something that you bought for somebody. I don't understand. Like, I won't lie, you're just a baby. Oh. You be picking. You're just a child. Like, I believe it's only a child that would be like, Shebi, it's me that do this thing for you. I will connect my thing back because you are fighting with the person. I don't understand. You are not matured at all. You're not mature. Guy, you're not mature at all. The 3.7 million that you're asking me how I spent, it's none of your business. Because that money, I removed it from our account. It's not even our account because it's my account. Now account where you open for my name. So anything I do with that, it's none of your business. You're supposed to remove your mouth from it. How is it the money you wanted to use for your projects? How is that money related to whatever projects you're doing, Lemon? How? Why are you making things so, like, you just keep pissing me off every single day? How is that money the money you wanted to use for your projects? Money that you gave to me. Money that is my own account. That you want to use for your projects. You don't know why they save your money, where they take do your things. I can't be saying I don't want to say me, I come on my own money and I can't become money where you want to use for your projects. I don't understand. What's the meaning of all these things that you keep saying and repeating every day on so like what the see, oh God, this boy. Like, guy, you frustrate me. Like, you're making me see that yes, you're just a baby. Big time baby, guy. Stop all this thing. See, stop, don't run me mad. You're toying with my mental health. It's okay for you. It's okay. I feel like I'm not going to return any car. If you want it, you come to my house where you picked. Shebi is saying you picked me. Come to my house where you picked me from. Because obviously you didn't pick me from the gutter. This is my house. You did not pick me from the gutter. You know where you walked up to me to meet me. I met you in the shooting scene where I asked, yes, and I like, yeah, this guy is fine, oh. I like this guy, yo. Not even, guy, I don't even know say be one popular bingo safe. If you popular, yes. I stop you, I call it, What is your problem? Do you want me to go gaga and crazy? For what? I'm eating well, I'm feeling well, I'm okay. Before I stopped you and told you that yes, I want to be your friend, and you went ahead and said you wanted to have something serious with me. Which is happening. But now you've turned out to be someone that I don't even know. You've turned out to be a beast. You've turned out to be a beast because this is not the person I stopped to talk to. This is not you. Now you have made me come outside. Yes, I'm outside. Okay, fine. You don't bring me come outside now, so you don't carry me come out. Now you're telling me to return the car. See, I'm not returning any car. You see that thing where you talk, say, I should return the car, or else you're going to come and do that thing you want to do. I'm in my house. You know my house. I'm in my house. Come and do it. I stay alone before you came into my life. And you know it. You know it better than any other person. I'm doing okay. I'm doing great before you came into my life. The money you're saying I withdrew, girl, is my money and I withdrew it. But whatever I use it for is none of your business. When I was begging you, I was doing all sort of... Why did you not upload that part? Why did you not call your parlor dog to come and video it and upload it? Or what first me do really? Why didn't you call your parlor dog to come and video when I was begging you? Obviously, you know what you're doing. You will not be able to post all the things that you're doing. You make it look as if I'm the bad person. Guys, stop. Stop it. Then to you, any small thing, Social media, any small thing, social media, any small thing, Victor. Olóṣèlú burúkú yẹn náà máa sáré wá. I go want to say that one message. I don't know if you go message for me because of you, because you brought me down. You brought me down. That one does not have respect again. Imagine the names that your so-called fans are calling me on social media. All of them are the mates. All of them are from A to Z. Those who insult me are the mates. God, I'm not better. You are not better. You're not better. So stop making me look like the bad person here. If I come now and trying to know what is going on in most of your lives are scattered. But you're making me look as if I'm an hypocrite. I'm not. I only took my money. My husband's money. Not your husband's money. Not your father or your brother's money. I went to see my ex for a business and I don't care if you believe me or not. I don't care. Some of you are out there, you spoil your kids. Your kids will sleep outside. If their father asks, where did your child sleep? Where is your daughter? You would like that she went to a classmate's house. Meanwhile, your daughter already told you that she's in her boyfriend's and you will not tell the father. How do you expect me to tell my husband I went to see my son that doesn't even let men come close to me? I only told him, okay, fine. I kept it a secret because I respected him and I didn't want it to look as if, yes, so I have the mind. Though. See, the way we all busy our things are so different. It is different. If I took my own the way it is and it come out to be a problem, I have apologized countless of times. But still, he decided to take it outside. And you call me your wife. If I'm your wife, you would sit me down and talk to me like a man to a woman. Not taking me outside for everybody to see. For everybody to insult. Okay, now the way people are insulting me, how do you expect us to come back together? If we even come back together, the love is not there anymore. It's not there anymore. Because you've insulted me, called me a prostitute. You say I'm this, I'm that, I'm doing all that. How do you expect me to come back to you? How do you guys even expect me to go back to that kind of person? Someone that insult my big mommy, there's no respect, but the one that he keeps giving money, that one will come and sit and start tapping me and calling me all sorts of names that she's coming to settle. Settle what? It's not the way they settle anything. That's not the way. If you want to even settle, we are kids. If you want to settle, there's a way you will settle, not staying on one person's side. Look at what the uncle was saying. The other day, the uncle threw my bags. The next thing, he's saying he likes me. Among all the girls that he has been seeing, I'm the one. Nibo, what are you lying to? Now, see the way he's twisting. Definitely, he never accepted me from the beginning. He never. Now, I'm the bad person. See, I beg. All of them are hypocrites. All of you from A to Z, the only thing I knew I did that was wrong was going out to see my ex. And I apologized countless of times. But he still didn't listen. He continued prolonging. And you guys expect me to just keep quiet and be insulting my big mommy. The only mistake she did was lying to you that I was at her place. How else do you want me to explain to you, David? How? How else would I explain? I am tired. I am so tired. See, I no longer want to wear your ring or whatever. I sold my engagement ring fine. You don't know. You didn't even call me to ask me what I used the money for. But the next thing, boom, you said it on social media. They should come and do what? They should come and beat me for you. Or they should come and put tire on my head that I stole something. I did not steal anything. You gave it to me. Engagement proposal ring. I sold it. The wedding ring. Why did I take the wedding ring and sell it? Why did I sell that one? But now you make me look like a bad person. Nobody sees me with respect. Nobody respects me. I do for you to see people that even reason with me. If my guys see, no let me dey talk. No even let me dey talk, I beg. David, I swear to God, you have see that love, it don't come out. I'm done. I'm over and done with. I know I might have disappointed a lot of you out there that have been advising me, talking to me like a mother or father, but I'm tired. He has insulted me enough. Nobody wants to see the fact that he is insultive and he does not have respect. But you guys see that Mary does not have respect. A woman is the one that is supposed to bring peace to her house. A woman is supposed to... Do you know how many times I beg this guy? You know how many times I need that beggar? Do you know? Oh, me not fit cry for you again, no. Me not fit. I not fit. I not fit. All of you are saying Yoruba is this, Yoruba is that. Guy, Igbo women are worse. To say that if not one, I won't talk. If I just don't want to do tribalism. Nobody is better. Someone worse than me might be an Hausa lady. Someone worse than me might be an Igbo lady. Yoruba women, you stop saying Yoruba, Yoruba, Yoruba. Una ne me see. Which I'm saying Yoruba, Yoruba. She Igbo better, ne abi Hausa better, who better? Was that not calm? Was that not calm enough? I was calm. I was taking everything. I was enjoying, not until it shocked me and I said, no, I can't continue like this. Imagine you people that were supporting them. You were saying, she's a good girl, or she's this, that. Say, she's really that to beg you. Let me use if you don't do. All of a sudden, everybody switch. She not the wine me. I'm not carry down, they call my table. I'm not the film, they yarn that kind of thing. You guys are all hypocrites. All of you from A to Z. You're hypocrites. If we do something and you will switch. If they do this one, you will switch. Facebook people, I'm talking to you. You're all hypocrites. You guys are not better. If something happens to one of you out there, I know you will go extra. Not be person they kill your husband. Not be person they burn your wife. All those people, who are they? Are they not human beings? Are they not? And the same people will still open their mouth to advise another person. People that will beat them, will carry their wife, will do they use their head to knock war. Use their husbands, they will destroy everything. You are coming here to advise me. Advise yourself. Don't advise me. Don't. Nobody should advise me. Keep it to yourself. Your homes are not better. Stop insulting me. People are not better. You're not. Everybody is saying that, because it's not your fault. That person will drag me come outside now. Now I call Sam. He's the one that dragged me. If you say no carry me come outside, you know this kind of this shit no go to happen. Those days they talk, they yarn, now the yarn not the same way down our mouth. Who na help? You na help me? If you like me, fine. If you don't like me, go your way. I'm not begging anybody. I'm not begging anybody to come and stay in my life. Marriage is not a do or die thing. If this one doesn't work, it doesn't mean another thing will not work. And if I decide not to get married in the future, fine. It's my business. It's my decision. Nobody will make that decision for me. It's my decision, and I will stay the way I want it. Keep all your things to yourself, please. You guys are not better. You guys are saying he's hot. Am I not hot? Do you know what I'm going through? That person will be should I know where the pain am. And all those his friends doing videos, and I'm seeing everything. All of now they met. Una better. Una no better. Una no better. I you come like saying I may be the bad person. I not be anything. I only showed you guys what I can do. Because I'm not saying I'm doing this, I will destroy if he continues to give me if he doesn't allow me have peace. Who doesn't give somebody peace doesn't deserve peace. That problem that you're looking for, God will give you, but it's not me that will give you that problem. Shebi, I'm not a good woman. I be a shewo. I be this, I be that. Go outside. There are beautiful babes out there. The ones that have bum, that have breasts, that have everything. They are fine. They have pencil nose, small loose. They are there. They are outside. Go and pick. There are plenty. Pick your choice. Your uncle has said he will bring a woman. Fine. My auntie said they should allow them to give you another. I'm okay. They should come. Everybody should come. You have money. You take care of them. Abi? You have money, you take care of them. I be no blood of lemon. No blood of lemon we get mens. You have mens. Abi? Mens, as you are saying, you have mens. Let your mens come and guide you. Carry another woman. Those that keep advising you are giving you all sort of things into it, that are installing rubbish and nonsense inside that your small skull. They should continue. They should advise you. I don't even need to marry again because just look at it. I don't need them. Everybody day. Me everybody just day the pangarush. You know, consign me. Day or day, my day. I be young girl, you know they let me they enjoy my life. Imagine small girl like me, they come outside, they shout every day, now waiting. No, deal. I be Agberu, my brother na Agberu. Let us be. That Agberu way they see, they give me my own feeding money as in younger sister. Forget say I get what they do. My brother gives me money, he takes care of me before you came into my life. So leave me. My brother might be an Agberu, but he's a man that knows the emotions, that knows how to pet a woman. Not this rubbish that you are doing and posting on social media. Stop picking like you they talk. Before you help my brother, say you come meet me to say me you help him. Don't be you say you won't help him. Come they jam, they talk blah blah blah. Oh God, girl, get out, rubbish.